You ready to see koalas? So we are on the way to Symbio Wildlife Park. They let you get up close and personal with the animals. And I'm going to hold a koala and feed some kangaroos. Oh, I'm so excited. So we took a train for 1 hour and then we hopped on a bus for about 15 minutes. The bus driver was so nice that he drove us to the end of the street. So now we have about a 10-minute walk and then we get to see all the pretty animals. You excited? I'm excited. See you at the park. We at the park and I got kangaroo food. Wait, if you're curious what kangaroo food looks like, it's basically just grass. Let's go feed some kangaroo. Alright, we're supposed to feed some kangaroos, but I don't see any kangaroos to feed. Whoa, look at all of them over there. Found them. Oh my god, he's holding my hand. Look at it. Look, can I get more? I'm holding hands with a wallaby. Are you hungry? I have food for you. Is that a no? Oh, that's a no. Okay, bye. It only took 4 months, but I finally fed a freaking kangaroo. Oh, look at him scratch. I want to hold one, but in New South Wales, it is illegal to hold a koala. She's so cute. They're just the coolest animals. Like, if anyone ever asked me what my spirit animal is now, it's a koala. Oh, also, I was listening to that lady talk earlier, and she said that what they're eating now, they won't poop out for another 5 days. And that's why they sleep so much, because they have to digest it. See, he just pooped, so that means he ate that 5 days ago. Hello! How are you? He's so. Oh, you oh! Hey, wow! Oh, here he comes.
Hello.
Oh! Do you hear it? Hi. Look at him like. to my hand. This is how little he is. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. How you going? Oh, french fries. Can I have one? How much were these?
I think 6.
Oh. I should have those. In Australia, these are not called popsicles. These are called ice blocks. It's very small.
Yeah, right? Ooh, tight.
Symbio Wildlife Park was amazing. Sadly, I didn't get to hold a koala like I was hoping to because it's actually illegal in New South Wales because it shortens their lifespan and it stresses them out. And we don't want that because they're beautiful animals and I want them to live until they're 20 years old. Well, it's currently 87 degrees and we're walking to our bus stop and it is really sweaty and disgusting. We're probably really sunburnt. But now we're going to go find our bus stop. Let's go! If you are wanting to plan a trip to Symbio Wildlife Park, tickets normally cost $36, but I had a 20% off coupon, which I found in like a touristy book, and I just ripped it out, gave it to the girl, and got my ticket for $29. And food is actually not that bad compared to most foods in the States. So we are now at our bus stop. It'll take us about 15 minutes to get to the train station, and then another hour on the train, and then we will be home. In the vlog here. Thanks for watching and follow us on kangaroos when you're in Australia and don't take 4 months like me. Bye! So we are on the way to Symbio Wildlife Park. Oh, I had all this in my head before the camera's in my face. Okay, hold up. Oh, I was gonna say